going to check this kind of things like a rubber inside. As you can see, the other side is in position while the other side is some lying down, some kind of a rubber protection, or I don't know. We'll check on it. First I need to remove these plastic rivets. We'll see. Now that I remove the plastic rivet, I will try to tighten up. But these two big rivets here I need to remove. I think it's look like it's normal position because this one is tight right now. And this one is also tight. So it's normal position for this. I need to return it. So what I did now is just to change the old rivets because it's quite loose. So now it's okay, no loose, so it's nice.